10.3 seconds world record. The first African American to be called the world's fastest man. Usain Bolt is the 100-meter world record holder today. But long before Usain came along, there was a short, stocky African American man who stood somewhere between 5'4" to 5'7" inches in height, who held Bolt's title for the 100-meter world record and Olympic record, the 200-meter Olympic record, as well as the title of the world's fastest man. This early sprint star was Thomas Edward Tolan of the USA, aka Eddie Tolan, or the Midnight Express, which was his given nickname. And there was good reason for Eddie holding these titles. This little man ran a scorching 100-yard dash in 9.6 seconds to smash the 100-yard Big Ten championship record and equal the 100-yard world record in 1929. Then in 1930, at the same Big Ten championships, he stormed to an even faster 9.5 seconds in the 100 yards to smash the 100-yard world record. And there was even more to come. In 1932, at the Olympics in Los Angeles, this stocky little speedster was quite a spectacle to see, with his horn-rimmed glasses taped to his face and him chewing gum as he ran his races. It was said that the faster he chewed, the faster he seemed to go. So imagine the excitement in the stands when he broke the Olympic 100-meter dash record in the first heat of the second round with a time of 10.4 seconds. He then went on to smash the world record with a blistering 10.3 seconds in the final of that event. After which he surprisingly smashed the 200-meter Olympic record as well with another amazing run, this time winning in 21.2 seconds, shaving a whopping 4/10 of a second off the previous record. Reminds me of a certain lightning bolt Jamaican sprinter who came decades after but won similar Olympic doubles. Not once, not twice, but all of 3 times over his amazing career. But today, we are not celebrating the achievements of Usain Bolt, but instead that of Eddie Tolan, who came before him. So to continue, this 200-meter win was also significant for the USA, as the other 2 athletes across the finish line for second and third place were also Americans, meaning that the USA had earned a clean sweep of the medals in this event. And with his double Olympic wins in the 100 meters and 200 meters, Tolan was dubbed the world's fastest human. The Associated Press called him the spectacled little American Negro and the dusky little thunderbolt, while yet another writer described how the little black man with horn-rimmed glasses crossed the finish line being chased by a white man of America, George Simpson, and the brother black, Ralph Metcalfe. Commentators also noted that the only other 2 sprinters to win double gold in the 100 and 200 meter races were also University of Michigan athletes, Ralph Craig and Archie Hahn. And then, back in Detroit after the Olympics, Mayor Frank Murphy appointed a reception committee to meet Tolan at the train station, and Michigan Governor Wilbur M. Brucker declared September 6, 1932 as Eddie Tolan Day throughout the state. The governor also issued a proclamation stating that Tolan had brought honor to our Commonwealth and encouraged communities throughout the state to arrange ceremonies as an expression of Michigan's pride in Eddie's achievements.